time to go home. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you. See you. Checked in, took the tickets already. Now I have a flight in 2 hours. I don't know what I'll do. Let's see. But first, put the mask on. मैं एयरपोर्ट की शीशों पे सेल्फी लेने नहीं आया हूँ, ये बताने आया हूँ कि मैं जा रहा हूँ. ठीक है, बाय. So I have 5 hours to Paris, and उसके बाद I'll land in Paris, and then let's see what I'll do for 11 hours. अभी सबने पीपी पहना हुआ है. कौन से मास्क के नीचे दाढ़ी है, कौन से मास्क के पीछे लिपस्टिक है, कुछ नहीं पता. कोरोना टाइम भाई, मैं भी मास्क ला लेता हूँ. See you in Paris.
تجدون بطاقة
So I've reached Paris and कुछ भी खुला नहीं है, सब कुछ बंद है कोरोना की वजह से. Let's see. I have a long 10-hour stay. I don't know how I'll pass my time. See you soon when I'll board this flight to Delhi. See you soon. Delhi, देश हमारा. We are at Paris airport, and the world is, Charles, whatever the name is, and the world is so small. I got one more guy from my same company, and we are going same place, Delhi. How long have you been on board?
Almost about 9 months now, I think.
See, everyone is suffering. 9 months is like minimum. Our contract was 5 months, and we had to stay 9 months.
Supposed to go home March 27th.
Exactly, and we are going in August.
You know,
Yeah, this
that ran him out.
And then we are going for quarantine for 1 year, and
1 year, huh? Yes.
1
1
week.
year quarantine.
1 week. And
The saying goes, guys. We are everywhere.
we are everywhere. We are mariners. बस टाइम खत्म हुआ. मैं 9 महीने बाद जाने का जो खुशी है ना बॉस, मैं बता नहीं सकता. ओह, फाइनली all of them are going. It's time to go home. Yes, time to go home. Next station, New fucking Delhi. We are finally going after so many forms. How many forms we filled?
Fucking 4 forms.
4 forms for COVID because we are getting evacuated. We are getting evacuated.
I had to say I'm being laid off. Huh? Foreign worker being laid off.
Next station, New Delhi. Okay, bye. Oh shit, oh shit. What is this? What is this? Aliens. Oh. So we have these shields and we have masks and sanitizers. It's actually a good job. Finally done with everything. Now I'm going to sleep. Good night. Finally, Delhi! I've just reached Delhi. I cannot tell you the feeling. आज़ादी के दिवस पे मैं तो आज़ाद हो गया भाई, कुछ और नहीं चाहिए मुझे। अभी पता नहीं क्या क्या फॉर्मेलिटीज़ हैं, अपनी खुशी बता नहीं पाऊँ। We reached Delhi and now we are in holding area, doing all this quarantine with everything. It will take around 5 hours to finish everything in Delhi, especially. I don't know about other cities. Now I'm going to Hotel Taj. Company has booked it and we have a mandatory 7 days quarantine there. So the whole bus is going to the same hotel. That's how it is. When you come to airport, they will take you to the quarantine, 7 days institutional quarantine. If you don't have a COVID test. If you have a COVID test, then you can directly go to your home quarantine. So right now. The food, laundry, everything, and then close it. So you don't have to even go inside. ये खाना इन्होंने बाहर ही रख दिया. We have to collect it. और as a measure मैंने ये मंगाया toddy they call it. मैंने बोला था काढ़ा देना, but इनको नहीं पता काढ़ा क्या होता है. तो they said there is a thing called toddy. अब ये toddy क्या है? ये toddy की हुडी हम खोलते हैं और ये क्या है भाई? इन्होंने बोला कि ये जिंजर, सिनेमन और इन सब के साथ बना हुआ है. तो लेट्स होप कि ये टॉडी जो भी है ये काम करेगी भाई. फाइट करना है तो फिर ढंग से ही करेंगे. टॉडी अभी तू ही मेरी ज़िंदगी की बजाएगा. कुछ राइम नहीं हो रहा, छोड़ो. तो भाई कोविड से फाइटिंग कंटिन्यूज. दे हैव गिवन मी सम स्नैक्स टू ईट एंड कॉल्ड पॉडी और टॉडी. So it was an amazing stay at Taj. I stayed here for 7 days, institutional quarantine as per the guidelines by the government. Now I'll be leaving to Himachal, which is my home. Himachal, there is 14 days of institutional quarantine again. But there's a surprise. Surprise is I have to stay 21 days institutional quarantine because of army rules. Because my father is in army. So army has its own rules. My whole holidays will finish in quarantine only. I don't know when will I reach home and when will I finish quarantine and when will I don't know. But यहाँ कोई वायरस नहीं है. यहाँ पे लोग आ जाएं, यहाँ वायरस टच ही नहीं कर सकता. देखो पीपल आर गोइंग क्रेजी. माय गुडनेस.